Store Locator adds a Google-powered map to your site to help website visitors find your stores, services, dealers, distributors, or other location types. To demonstrate the application, we'll be using a fictional pet care company in New York City. Let's say the company has 5 locations, which each specialize in a different kind of pet or pet-related service. Let's take a look at Store Locator's features. Site visitors can search for your locations using the universal search box, where they can search by a variety of parameters, like the exact street address, city, state, zip code, postal code, territory, country, or landmark, such as museum, airport, or stadium. Store Locator supports worldwide locations and search criteria. Pretty much all locations supported by Google Maps are also supported here. Searches are conducted within a given radius. Our demo store is set to search within 5, 10, and 20 miles. We'll show you how to adjust this, as well as other settings, a little later in the screencast. Administrators can set the results to be ordered either alphabetically or by distance. Administrators can also assign locations to be featured. Featured locations are highlighted and displayed above other search results. For example, our featured location is highlighted in red, but this can be adjusted using CSS. Generally, with CSS, you have control over Store Locator styling, so you can seamlessly blend it to fit your site's distinct look and feel. To further customize each location entry, administrators can adjust the zoom level and set up custom map icons to be used instead of Google Maps' default location markers. To help website visitors filter through and narrow their search results, the administrator can add location tags which correspond to products or services at each location. Once the user finds the location of their choice, Store Locator can provide directions to the desired location based on their search criteria. Now, let's look at configuration. The general settings for the application are found under System, Configuration, Store Locations. If you would like to change the default Store Locator URL, enter it here. To change the search radius option shown on the front end, replace the default values with those that more closely match the needs of your business. For example, if you are displaying international locations, you may want to set up search radius options to include higher values. Decide whether or not you would like the map to load when the page opens. Custom map icons can be scaled to match the size of the default icon. If you would like your custom icons to retain the size of your choice, select No. Once you have entered some locations, choose which address the map loads to by default. Minimal zoom will allow you to decide how close or far you will allow the map to zoom in. 1 is fully zoomed out and will show the world map. 25 completely zooms in on your location. Here, set up how search results are displayed. You can have them shown either alphabetically or by distance from the search input, in either ascending or descending order. Next, assign the search radius option to use by default. Store Locator will calculate distance in miles or kilometers. Choose the option that works for you. You can also decide if you would like Store Locator to have a default country. This will save you time later when you are adding locations because you can leave that entry blank. Next, enter the number of results that you would like displayed. Here's how to add locations. Location data could either be imported into the system with a CSV file or added manually. The format for a CSV file can be found in the Import Location section of Store Locator's documentation. Another way to build a CSV template is to manually add a location or two, then export the file. We'll discuss how to add locations manually in just a moment. If you have already created your CSV file, import it here. Then decide if you would like the import to override your existing locations or add the new ones. To manually enter a location, navigate